Hey guys, welcome back to part 4 of me preparing to go back home. Right now I'm in Sephora. Saw this body cream called Bam Bam Cream and I thought of buying it because last time I was in Sephora again, I actually came across it. It smelled so good, but this one is another scent, and then the scent that I wanted is the one that comes in the yellow tub. So I just wanted to make sure I knew what I wanted, so I tried both of them and I ended up picking the original scent. It's a very delicious scent. Like, you literally smell like a cupcake. Like, it's so hydrating too and moisturizing. So yeah, I ended up buying that one. Sister does hairstyling on brides, so I bought her this Ebin hair glue, and look, they also have Balenciaga in this store. So I just came from getting my lashes done. As you guys can see, I really like them. I didn't want something very long, I just wanted something medium long. So these are like 10 12 15, I think 10 12 15 millimeter lashes. Yeah, so I kind of wanted like a cat eye effect, something like that. So yeah, I really like them. And the next thing that I have to do now, I'm going to get a Brazilian wax. I already made an appointment, but it's gonna be at 6 and this is around 5:15 p.m. so I have to wait for about 45 minutes. I'm very early. I thought the last appointment was gonna take time, so I kind of created like more time. I was like, just in case I'm late with the last appointment and all that, but the lady was kind of super fast, so yeah. So I just got my wax right. I can't lie to you, this thing is itching. Like, I feel like squirting in public. Like, you know, I always give myself waxes at home, right? And I've never felt like this, but right now the one I'm feeling, it's itching, guys. Like, I don't know what this lady has done to me, but it's itching so bad. This is my first time like after getting a wax and then it itches. That's the reason why I like using sugar wax, because it doesn't give me any of these effects. But if you're using hard wax, you all of a sudden you have your skin itching and all that. And once I get home, I'm gonna apply some some Ten Skin and other things I usually use, because the way I feel like the itchiness. And I'm at the park, like you guys can see there are people here. I can't even like, I don't know what this lady has done to me. Like, I'm done. I'm done, like for real. I'm done. Girl, look at this hair. Like, this is the color that I wanted. It suits my complexion. Like, what? It ain't going nowhere. It's not going anywhere. It's not going anywhere. I'm excited. Why wasn't I able to do my other installs like this? Like, instead, I kept on paying people to do my installs. So I didn't really finish my wig installation because I had my nail appointment. So I just basically just paused everything and I was like, gonna come back and finish tweezing and also straightening the wig. Yeah, basically. Since I'm carrying some gifts for my family, my bags are not gonna be enough to pack everything, so I went ahead and bought like a small size suitcase for the extra stuff, and also a neck pillow because the flight is about to be long as heck. And I also went to get myself some food because it had been a long day and I was starving. This was a last minute thought. I thought of buying different American candy that my family could try. Of course, some of these candies are at home, but most of it is not. So basically that's what I did, and that was how I ended the day. Make sure you like and subscribe and leave me comments as well.